Hey guys, we're back with day 6 of our ChatGPT video tips, and today's going to be a really short one. I'm just going to get into how you can use ChatGPT to write lyrics, songs, melodies, chord progressions, and even raps. So check this out. All you got to do is come into the field here and put in a question something like this. Give me a chord progression using a half diminished chord. So now we see it came back and it says certainly a chord progression that incorporates a half diminished chord. It gives me that chord progression and it explains, and this progression represents half diminished chord. It's followed by and finally resolving back to. Feel free to use this progression as a starting point and experiment with different rhythms, tempos, and variations to suit your musical style and preferences. So I don't have to know jack about music, and I can just type in a sentence like that and it's going to come back and give me something that I can use. Now we're going to ask it, can you please write me a song about the birds in the winter flying south? Something like that. And so it's going to take my request, it's going to think about it, and then it's going to come back with the information. So as you can see, it wrote this complete song, which is really, really cool. I mean, you don't have to be a songwriter, but look, verse 1, pre-chorus, chorus, verse 2, pre-chorus, chorus, bridge, chorus, outro. I mean, this thing's phenomenal, right? So you could give it any subject matter and it'll help you write songs. Now, remember what I told you in the past. Don't take these things straight the way they are, because you never know when ChatGPT is taking this information from somebody else's content out there and basically plagiarizing it. I'm not saying that that's exactly what it's doing. What it does is it goes out there, it reads information that's on the web, information that it's been trained on, and then it reiterates it, it repurposes it, if you will. But what you don't want to do is get in trouble because somebody comes back and says, hey, those are the lyrics from my song, or hey, those are the words from my poem, or whatever the case may be. And finally, we're going to tell ChatGPT to write me a rap about low riding in East Los Angeles and Sunday barbecues. Now, as you can see, it's smoked through that one. So in my humble opinion, ChatGPT likes rap music better than just regular music because it wrote that rap fast. Cruising through East LA with that lowrider vibe, where the streets come alive and the soul survives. Hydraulics bouncing, paint shimmering so clean in this concrete jungle where dreams convene. Windows down, feel the warm California breeze rolling through the hood, bringing that real OGEs. Low riders gleaming with the chrome on display, representing the culture in our own special way. Now, of course, that's the first time I'm reading it, so I don't know the cadence yet. But at the end of the day, you can use ChatGPT to write melodies, chord progressions, lyrics, full songs, and rap. So there you go. Another way that you can use ChatGPT to pick up a hobby, or maybe help you with an existing hobby if you're into music and things of that nature. All right, you guys, have a good one. I'm out.